gusto niyang investigahan po ng Senate yung allegations nung 18 allegedly Marine soldiers.
Well, we'll wait for the
Dito po,
reading
sir.
of the resolution, and let's find out kung saan committee i-refer.
Aha. Pero sir, nung narinig niyo yun, ano yung nakita niyo?
Yeah, I read the affidavit.
Opo.
Ako kasi pag mayroong information in my previous life, this is how I treat any information that comes to my attention. First, yung ano ba yung credibility ng source? And second, ano yung reliability ng information itself? Dalawa yun eh. Kasi kung polluted yung source, it follows. Ito yung sinusunod natin na meron tayong A1, A2, B1, B2, di ba? Yung rating, yung classification ng intelligence information.
Yes, sir.
So, may mga portions doon na pwede na sabihing credible, pero may mga questionable. Number one, ang sinabi nila 805 billion yung napunta, yung pinamahagi o napunta kay Congressman Saldico. Well, from 2023 to 2025, ang total amount ng flood control projects, 1.13 trillion. So kung ang napunta kay Congressman Saldico allegedly 805, that's at least 70% of the total appropriations for the same period sa flood control projects. So puro ghost na yung nandun. Saan manggagaling yung napunta kay Bernardo? Saan ang napunta kay Alcantara?
So sobra yung computation?
Sobra computation. That's my first observation. Second, as we speak, sumulat na ako sa Philippine Navy, Philippine Army to conduct record check and background investigation on the 18 Marine Philippine Navy and Army personnel.
Sir, why
Ang
so?
initial information, hindi, wala pa. Sumulat ako.
Pero bakit?
At saka sa LTO. No? May initial information from the Philippine Navy na yung iba dishonorably discharged. A number of them were never members of the Philippine Navy. So doon pa lang, makukwestiyon natin yung credibility ng source. If true, kasi media lang ito. That's why I'm formalizing it by way of an official letter to the armed forces of the Philippines, attention the Philippine Navy and Philippine
Pero
Army.
tama po bang paharapin sila dito, sir, sa isang inquiry, sir?
Well, after all the verification, evaluation, then probably, yes. And ito pa isang observation, the timing, parang nakatiming to, bakit yung ICC ngayon na nakapokus? Ang pinoproject doon is napaka-corrupt ng ICC, di ba? Dahil nilagyan ng $2 million allegedly through former Senator Trillanes. Another one, timing nila, bisperas noong Trillion March, yung 40th anniversary ng EDSA. Another observation, parang kung gano'n ang mga pinagbibigyan, parang kulang yung listahan.
Timing is suspect?
Yeah, kasi timing ng
Questionable?
ICC confirmation of charges.
Okay.
Ang timing din, yung ngayon, February 25, yung EDSA, 40th anniversary ng EDSA. So ano yung, sa akin kung ako yung mukhang merong political color, not just political color, mukhang merong destabilization na aspect.
So, sir, kung
Why do you say so, sir?
Paano makaka-destabilize
Yung
ito,
timing,
sir?
kasi EDSA ngayon Bakit kahapon lumabas?
So parang manggugulo, sir? Yun yung...
Well, kayo, I leave it to your own imagination, but that's my own opinion. Rightly or wrongly.
But you think it's enough to destabilize, sir?
I don't know. Kasi hindi ko alam. Kasi wala namang nangyayaring destabilization ngayon, di ba?
Sir,
It seems na wala namang, hindi naman na-destabilize
So gustong sirain yung credibility ng ICC.
Kasi pispiras ngayon, kahapon, pispiras ng EDSA, 40th EDSA 1, yung people power. Bakit tinaming kahapon yung, tsaka bakit sila sa Club Pilipino? Symbolic. Kasi yan din ang pinanggalingan nung EDSA 1 natin di ba?
So kung ganun, sir, na timing is suspect.
Hindi. Ang sinasabi ko, we will evaluate yung dalawang sinasabi ko, the source of the information, which in this case are the 18 Marine personnel. The second is the reliability or credibility of the information itself, meaning yung contents ng affidavit, which I have already told you, meron na ako nakita dalawang agad na dapat i-explain. 805 billion, that's at least, I think, 71% of the entire appropriations during the same period.
Making it feasible or
20.
impossible, sir?
Medyo mathematically impossible kasi meron pang nakuha si na Bernardo, meron pang nakuha si na Alcantara. Ano yung pinasugal ni na Alcantara? We're talking of the same period, ha? Yeah. Tapos ba't binigyan nila ng 5 large maleta si SP Soto? For what? Tanungin natin.
Sir, SP.
Sir, yung kay...
I'm just wondering, kasi mind-boggling yung when we speak of large maletas, sabi nila 50 million to 70 million. And we computed yung 805 billion. Alam niyo ba kung gaano karaming large maletas? Wag na yung medium, saka yung paper bag at saka yung expandable envelope. Large maletas pa lang. Alam niyo kung gaano karami? At least 13,400 large maletas. My God.
So sir, gustong sirain
No, ito lang siya sabi ko, ini-evaluate ko yung information as well as the source of the information. As I have initially told you, pag may dumating sa akin information, in my previous life, sa law enforcement, sa intelligence, ang una ko agad iniisip, credible ba itong source? Pangalawa, credible ba itong information?
So right now, you're in the middle of studying it, sir.
Yeah, I'm evaluating.
Evaluating, yeah.
Kasi probably, baka umabot sa Blue Ribbon Committee, di ba? So gusto ko rin, meron ka idea.
But for this-
Well, they presented their case at the Club Filipino instead of bringing it before the committee or the ombudsman or the DOJ. So, kayo mag-isip, anong motive?
For the Senate to have its own inquiry about it,
We need to evaluate first
First, okay.
kung it merits, di ba, an investigation, an inquiry. Yun ang ano. Thank you.
thank you, sir. Hi, SP.